Are you looking for a unique way to charge your devices? Well, let's try this product. Hi everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Anley, and today we're going to be looking at the Gravastar Delta35 fast charger. Are you looking for a cool way to spice up your game room? Well, this is perfect. As you know, in each episode we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Today we're going to be looking at the Delta35 fast charger from Gravastar. Look at this thing. Super cool, but as you know, we're going to unbox it and check it out. So first off, the box looks great. It's got the specs and everything on there, a little information on it being USB-C and 35 watts as a GaN fast charger. It's just a really nice box. But let's open it up. The first thing you see on the top is a little guide here. Got some information about it. Kind of the same information that you see on the box. And the warranty information. It looks like there's like this kind of styrofoam style little case here for it. And I really like that it's cut out. Wow, check that out. That's cool. Wow, look at this little dude. This is super cool. If you're looking to take your gaming setup to the next level and you want some really cool aesthetics kind of in your office or gaming space, I definitely recommend Gravastar. Look at all the little details. Oh, the little hands move. And you got two USB-C ports right here. So there's your plug. So this could be perfect to go in something like power strip right there, or to plug in your wall just for something cool and fun. But let's set it up.
Unparalleled charging speed and universal adaptability. Equipped with GaN technology, the Delta35 stands as a testament to efficiency and power. GaN technology ensures that the charger operates at peak performance with minimal heat generation, resulting not only in quicker, more efficient charging, but also in an eco-friendly and low heat technology. Featuring dual USB-C ports and supporting a maximum power output of 35 watts per port, it offers the fastest charging experience possible for multiple devices at once. A synchronized rectification chip further enhances the Delta35's power supply efficiency, making it ideal for smartphones, iPads, MacBook Airs, Switch, and more. Experience the future of charging with a device that's not only faster, but also more energy efficient. Functional and transformative robotic design. Much like robots from the golden age of sci-fi films, the Delta35 features a captivating shape-shifting design with adjustable arms and ears. These adjustable elements allow you to customize its appearance, making it the perfect fit for your unique style. The mesmerizing ice white indicator light not only adds a touch of elegance, making it come to life when in use, but also provides real-time power status so you can always see the status of your device's charge. The company's vision, Gravastar, is dedicated to transforming traditionally boring products into collectible items that perfectly incorporate cutting-edge technology. The Delta35 is not only a powerful charger, but also a work of art that embodies our commitment to innovation. Safety and durability at the core. Safety is paramount, and the Delta35 prioritizes it. Despite delivering 35 watts of power through GaN technology, this charger remains resistant to heat. Its intelligent design minimizes energy loss during power conversion, ensuring a longer lifespan for both the charger and your devices. Protection mechanisms against overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuits, and overtemperature issues are seamlessly integrated for worry-free charging. Plus, the Delta35's flame-retardant shell guarantees a safe charge every time. It's $29.95 at the launch time. There are two colors available for the US plug, white and pink. Wow, Gravastar, thanks to you, I have a new best friend. We'd like to give a huge shout out to Gravastar for sponsoring this video. All of the links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!